Hi, I'm talking on behalf of Unity here. This is in regards to the Amazon onboarding services that we've been taking with BUYMARG. So initially when I reached out to BUYMARG, I was told that I have to pay a consulting fee and they'll actually be explaining about how Amazon works and what are the things I have to keep in mind before the onboarding process and after the onboarding process is done with Amazon. This is a fee that I was actually skeptical about paying initially, but I took the decision to pay and see what the consulting will be about, and I have to say it was a very good decision we took. We were able to get a very good understanding about how Amazon actually works and how Amazon provides its services and how it charges its customers, and this was only possible with the consulting that I took from BUYMARG. I really appreciate the service I got with the consulting, and I've gone a step forward and I'm currently availing their services. It's a good beginning, and we hope to do well and continue with BUYMARG with the times to come.